I'm Michael Sazin, the Parrot Wizard, and I'm visiting Parrot Mountain in Tennessee by Pigeon Forge. I'm holding a great-billed parrot. It's a quite rare sight to see, and even rarer to get to hold one. That's quite exciting. Look at you. What a big, chunky, beautiful bird. Got the look of a ringneck, and yet much bigger, about the size of an African gray, maybe even a little bigger. And he's quite heavy and very friendly bird. Wow, look at you. What a beauty. Look at those beautiful feathers. So even though he's all green, got a lot of intricate detail and really quite an intriguing parrot. The great build in the Congo African gray, and wow, this great build sure is bigger. It definitely got a bigger beak, bigger eyes. It probably weighs a bit more too. He feels pretty heavy. Yeah, it's a big bit of bird. Big chunky bird. Now, I thought Cape parrots are a chunky bird, but the great build is even chunkier and heavier. Wow. Kind of a similar height, but just a lot more meat in there than on a Cape parrot. Uh-oh, looks dangerous. They've got dinosaurs on the loose in there.